Welcome to Jim's Jeeps. I wanted to introduce the channel to you today. This is our first video being posted and we're pretty excited about it. What I have here is my small collection of Jeeps, and we're going to continue on with various projects, and we'll see where we go. But everything's on the table with replacing engines, body work, general maintenance, and everything else Jeep. They tend to break a lot, but we love fixing them a lot. This here is a 1989 YJ. I picked it up in Florida when I was in the military, and it's been a great little vehicle. I know a lot of people don't like the square headlights, but I kind of like them. Right now, this vehicle is going to get a new engine. The engine bay's empty. It had a 258 in it from 1989. It had a camshaft issue, and we had to take it out and basically rebuild the whole engine. So we're going to be dropping a brand new engine in here that we rebuilt in our shop here, and we're pretty excited about that. In addition, to get rid of the carburetor issues on the Carter carb, we put in a GM throttle body injection system. We had that on the old engine. The old engine ran fine for a little bit, and then not so well anymore. So it was time to replace the engine. She was getting a little old. This here is a 1998 TJ, fairly stock. Has the 4.0 liter engine in it, which is basically the successor to the 258, and it's also automatic transmission, which is a somewhat of a rarity in the TJ. Again, a lot of people don't like automatic transmissions, but to get my wife's approval, I had to get with the one with the automatic transmission in it. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to producing many videos and sharing what we do with Jeeps here on Jim's Jeeps.